Welcome back, viewers. This is our channel, Walking Thoughts Nebraska. For today, we are off to another hiking adventure in the nearby state of Missouri. The drive for this hiking adventure took us about 3 hours, and if you look straight ahead, that's a sign welcoming us to the state of Missouri. The state of Missouri is still one of the Midwestern states. It is just a neighboring state of Nebraska. So even though we went 3 hours away, you're still going to see most of the same topographies as Nebraska's. Here we are. Welcome to the Parkville Nature Sanctuary, which is in the city of Parkville here in Missouri. We started our hike here. This is part of the Jim Reed Trail system. This is the Old K Trail, which is about 0.9 miles long. It is the most popular loop of this trail because it circles the forested system of the valley and it proceeds to the waterfalls that we're going to see later. As we continue to hike, we want to share with you that Parkville Nature Sanctuary is a 115-acre of natural outdoor area. This is made accessible by nearly 3 miles of hiking trails, such as this one. The hiking time for the Old K Trail is about 30 minutes one way. Difficulty is between mild to moderate as we were trying to reach where the falls area is. We reached the waterfalls area and we didn't see a huge one as it's been dry lately. We haven't had some rain. However, it still flows down into the trail system and you can still hear the water gushing. After the trail that led us to the waterfalls, we decided to hike all the other trails in the trail system as they're very short ones and we want to be able to see all the other parts of the sanctuary. We stumbled upon these steps that led into a cellar. This cellar was used long ago when this sanctuary was still part of the university. They used to have farmlands here, and so they used this as storage for bushels of apples, vegetables, and other crops they had. This sanctuary is home to a lot of wildlife here, such as songbirds, deer, other small mammals, turtles, colorful insects, and many species of butterflies. After completing the Old K Trail, we went ahead and hiked the Whitetail Trail as well. This was just 1.5 miles long, a little difficult because it was up the hill to the highest point of the nature sanctuary. As you continue to join us for this hike, please remember to click on the subscribe button and the like button as well. You can also click on the notification bell so that every time we put up a new video, you'll be able to see it. The trail led us to the other end of the park. This is another welcome sign if you want to start on this end. Since our car was parked on the other side, we are going to hike back. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next time. Bye!